Alright, so we got the new way it attaches, the 3 hind joints. And I doubled these up, make these twice as thick. Not on the outside ones though. And then we got the gas pedal operational. We just got to hook up the choke. Even got the return spring on there for the no governor. We got our, looks like maybe 10 inches of pipe. So it's going to be nasty loud. And then we got the 420 chain with a massive 780 torque converter. $600 torque converter. So I'm waiting on a petcock for my fuel tank. And today I will be running these wires to the front for the ignition. More. Yeah, these wires to the front to ignition. Hook the battery up. Put some oil in it, and we might fire it up just to give everybody some kind of feel for what it's going to sound like. I had to make a lot of bars, but these weren't on here before. These went all the way across. And now the engine can sink down past it. So I got tired of the roll cage being bolted on. Welded it solid. Welded it solid. Another solid piece there. And 2 more pieces there. And the reason I did that was this was the kind of stuff they had on there, attaching it to the frame. These flat pieces. So when you roll, you're going to get your ass done in. So we swapped all those out. Used what I had, like this piece of metal ain't supposed to be on there, but it ain't going nowhere. I'm going to roll it over a hill just to test it out. So we got a solid roll cage. Added a couple bars in. Yeah, I may fire this up today. Even though we ain't got the gas tank. So I just need to take this down, make some longer wires on it. And that's it.